Today, boys and girls, we are going to play a little game. It's called Would You Rather? For this game, you will need to have your lockdown copies ready, a sharp pencil, and a rubber. Don't forget to do a lovely margin, the date at the top right, and your name at the top left. Pause the video so you can get your copy ready. On the different slides, there's going to be a question. For example, would you rather visit 100 years into the future or visit 100 years into the past? You can pause the video and write down which one you would rather. So you would write down number 1, I would rather visit 100 years into the future, but you also have to tell us why. So you have to explain your reasons. Give us a reason for your choice. So I would like to visit 100 years into the future to see if our efforts on climate change has worked, for example. Okay, are you ready? Off you go. Pause the video, choose which one you would rather, and write it in your copy, also explaining your answers. Number 2, would you rather meet your favorite musician or meet your sporting hero? Pause the video, write down number 2 in your copy and your full answer. I would rather, pick one or the other, and give us a reason for your answer. Number 3, would you rather it was always hot or it was always cold? Pause the video and write down your answer, explaining your choice. The next one, number 5. Would you rather it rained cats or it rained dogs? I think I'd know some of your answers for this one. Explain your reasons. Number 6. Would you rather meet someone from the past or meet someone from the present? Pause the video and write down your answers neatly in your copy. Number 7. Would you rather not use your computer for 1 month or not eat any junk food for a month? Is that a tough one? You might need to think about that one for a little. Pause the video and write down your answer. Now, for the next few, you don't have to write the answers down. We would like you to turn to the person you're working with and tell them aloud. So, for this one, before you give the answer, can you read back over your handwriting and your answers and make sure that all the letters are the same size and it's neat and we can read your answers very clearly? And then, would you rather be invisible or be able to fly? And tell the person you're working with why. You might like to ask them. Would you rather never be able to lie or have to say out loud everything you think? That's a hard one. Or is it? Would you rather be awesome in all subjects or be awesome at all sports? Would you rather earn money for doing jobs around the house or earn treats for doing jobs around the house? Be interested to know which one you choose. Would you rather be a shark or be a lion? Don't forget to explain why. Would you rather be the hero in your favourite film or story or be the villain in your favourite film or story? Would you rather live without your phone for 1 month or live without your favourite hobby for 1 month? If you don't have a phone, perhaps you could choose, could you live without a device in your house for a month? Would you rather live on the top of a mountain or at the bottom of the sea? Now, can you think of two more, two of your own would you rather, and ask them to the person you're working with? Well done.